This morning I want to talk about species selection and pruning needs for these types of trees. So there's two big categories of trees: excurrent trees and decurrent trees. And this all has to do with their shape and form. Excurrent trees are usually, the branches are kind of evenly spaced, growing outward in this pyramidal shape here. Really good structure, a single leader going on here. These trees require less pruning, and this would be like the conifers, spruces, pines, bald cypress, not in our area, but firs. Trees that just grow like this have better anchor points within their branches. They are stronger and usually require less pruning in an area where other trees like the decurrent ones would need more. Decurrents are more of a rounded shape. They've got a lot of branches going up in here. A good example of this is lindens. They usually have a lot of branching here. And just kind of flopping over to this picture here, decurrent trees usually have these weak unions because they're so close together. They have a lot of included bark, just kind of growing out in this rounded shape. This would be excurrent, where they'd be coming straight out like the pines and firs, spruces, that type of thing. So this is actually a stronger union within the wood structure here, where this is not. So the first 25 years of life, these decurrent trees, a good example around here would be like autumn blaze, need a lot of structural work to try to create a good structure that is going to last this tree its entire life. And that's where we come in. We're doing a lot of work on these decurrent trees to try to make them into something that's going to be useful for the homeowner. Excurrent trees, we don't have to do as much. Sometimes they'll need some raising, and we can usually do this with a pole saw very easily. Up here, this might be growing a little bit longer. We can nip it back a bit. Doesn't need as much work as the decurrent ones, and this is most of where we're focusing our pruning on. So just a little bit about some of the difference here and some little terminology: excurrent and decurrent, and what that actually means in terms of how we attack the tree.